In this video, we will show you how to do Street View on Google Maps. To do Street View on Google Maps on smartphone or on PC, we will show you first on smartphone how to do that. Here I'm using Android. When you open the Google Maps, okay, when you open the some maps, like for example, we have New York map, and in here, for example, you have the roadway. Okay, to do Street View, maybe it's not easy like on the desktop. But in here, you actually can do the street view. Okay, just press hold on the street or way like this. Okay, you can see, and there is will appear some photo with, you can see, with icon like circle here. Just click this. Okay, after you click this, you can just click expand. Just expand this, and you can see now we can do the street view. You can see, for example, we have street view like this, and when click this, we can do street view on the Google Maps. Okay, once again, let's using another example. Just close this. After that, let's select another road. Okay, for example here. Okay, now you can click this, then you can click expand. Okay, you can see now you can do street view here. Okay, and you can go to in front of the way like this with clicking, and that's how you can do street view on Android with Google Maps. And how to do that on the PC. To do street view on the PC, it's easier. First, for example, we open the Google Maps, and with larger, it's very easier to do street view here. You can click this icon. Okay, this people icon, click here. Now you can see your way becomes blue color. With this blue color, this way can do street view. Just click here, for example. Okay, you can see. Now you can do street view with easy way on the PC. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to do street view on Google Maps using smartphone or Android, or whether using PC or laptops. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.